In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header row in Google Sheets. It's a simple and effective way to keep your data organized and to ensure your spreadsheet stays easy to navigate. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. If you're going to be working on an existing document, make sure to locate the correct file in your Google Drive and click to open it. If you're starting from scratch, you'll need to create a new spreadsheet by selecting the blank option. Once you've got the desired spreadsheet open, your next step is to decide which row or rows you want to designate as your header. Typically, this would be the first row, as it serves to label your columns and keeps everything in order. However, if your spreadsheet is structured differently, you can select whichever rows meet your needs. With that decided, go ahead and click on the View tab found in the menu bar at the top of the screen. This tab reveals a drop-down menu that includes various options, among them the tool we need for this task. Now, hover your cursor over the option that says Freeze. This will reveal another set of options. Freezing rows in Google Sheets ensures that they remain constantly visible as you scroll through your document. From here, you can choose one row to freeze the top row. Perfect for when you just need a single header line. If your header spans multiple rows, you can select 2 rows or more according to your setup. There's also a handy option called Up to Current Row, which becomes available after selecting the last row you wish to freeze. This can be quite useful if your header is already highlighted or you're working quickly and need flexibility. Alternatively, another way to freeze your desired header rows is by using the gray bar method. You'll notice a thick gray bar at the bottom of the top left corner of your spreadsheet. This bar acts as a draggable tool, allowing you to set your frozen rows visually. Click and drag this gray bar downwards to the bottom of the last row that you want to include in your header. When you reach the row you wish to stay visible, simply release the mouse button. And there you have it. These steps ensure that your selected rows serve as a header, making it easy to keep track of your data as you scroll through lengthy spreadsheets. Whether you choose to use the menu option or the gray bar, the outcome is the same. A neat and efficiently organized Google Sheet with a header that stays put. This small enhancement can greatly improve your workflow and data management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.